Welcome back to Putting Tech to the Test. My name is Ricardo Fernandez, and today we're going to have a quick video of a product that I've been using a lot. Today we're looking over the Kensington 140W GaN-Powered Charger. Before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get to the unboxing. With 140 watts of total output, you can charge a laptop at full speed or plug in up to 4 devices at once. 2 laptops at once, or a laptop and a phone. Built with advanced GaN technology and the latest USB Power Delivery 3.1 protocol, it delivers faster and more efficient charging with less heat and less bulk than your average charger. Just for perspective, this was my current setup for cables: bulky charger for my laptop, charger for my phone, charger for my headset, and now all I need is one block for all 3. Like I said, guys, just really quick and easy video, really game-changing product that I've been using and I wanted to show you. Like I said before, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. We'll catch you in the next one.